Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Cloud SaaS. Today we are going to see how to install MySQL in your laptop. So before we install MySQL, we need to check the existing MySQL files in our system. So let's go to Control Panel, and I just remove those old MySQL files in my system. So MySQL connector, I'm just uninstalling. Yes. MySQL document. MySQL examples and samples. MySQL installer. If you don't have a MySQL in system, so don't worry. You can just skip these steps actually. We have MySQL installer community. MySQL router. MySQL server. And MySQL cell. And finally uninstalling MySQL Workbench. So after completing uninstalling of these files, we have to cross check with Windows Explorer. Let's see if any MySQL related files are there. So go to the program files and see MySQL. Yeah, here it is. So delete those files. Okay, nothing is there. Then let's see any MySQL files are there. No. Users wise, no, nothing is there. Fine. Now let's go to Google Chrome and download MySQL. Just click on this link. Go to MySQL community. Then MySQL installer for Windows. And select this file to download. And it will ask for login, so just click on no thanks. Just start my download. So the download has started here. Let's wait for a few minutes. So after a few minutes the download has been completed. Now let's go to that folder. Just click on this MySQL. So here we need to select customs and just click on next, and here in the server we just need, let's see, server. Okay, and application wise we need Workbench. Just click on this, and we need shell also. MySQL router,